Alright, I'm going to be honest with you. There's a reason why I'm headed to the coast. To Myrtle Beach, Wilmington, or the other one. Just as long as I'm near the coast. There's a major hurricane coming. It's going to be 50 miles wide. You gotta warn everybody. Do you remember me heading to the coast down in New Orleans? Before Hurricane Ida hit? That same aurora was in the sky in Tillman's Corner. And before the winter storm Langdon hit, the aurora was in the sky outside of Little Rock before I got here. So a major hurricane is coming. I don't know how long we have until it hits. So you better start preparing now. Majorly now. ASAP. Royce out.